Hey guys, welcome back. This is Scott. On the right, I have AI, and on the left, I have normal view. Now, this is a screenshot from a video, and I'm going to show you this video in about 20 seconds. This is the object. Look at that. Have you ever seen any object like that floating through the sky? Now, this was taken behind Las Vegas Hills, daytime, about 5 to 6 o'clock in the morning on January 2016, guys. Now, that is just amazing to me. It's so early in the morning. It's not there to be seen. It's there not to be seen. And those hills back there, that's Nellis Air Force Base old firing range area. Okay, you cannot go back there without being shot. They do have armed guards. People have gone in there, civilians, and never come out again. Now, that area between Nellis Air Force Base and up there above, next 20 miles, is all government land, maybe 40 miles. And Area 51 is up there. So between here and there is a lot of land between Area 51 and Nellis Air Force Base. Look at that, guys. Look at this. This is just incredible. What is that thing? I mean, it doesn't look like a blimp. It doesn't look like an airplane. It doesn't have any wings. Doesn't have a helicopter blade. It doesn't look like some kind of kite or something. What is that? Possibly military, I guess. My friend Charles Hall, I talked to him about last month, and he's doing pretty good. So if you ever heard of him, Google his interview on YouTube. Charles Hall reports working with the Air Force as an intermediary between the aliens, tall whites, and the U.S. Air Force. And the Air Force gave the tall whites some military land behind Nellis, right where this is, the old firing range area. And they gave them land to build a base under the ground. And my friend Charles would go be the intermediary, what do they call that, in between the two people. And it's kind of incredible because the tall whites, a young one's 2 meters tall. A tall one is fully grown 3 meters tall. They live to be 800 years old. Their knees actually bend opposite direction as us, and a few people have seen them around Las Vegas area. My friend Charles Hall, he's seen them quite a few times, and in person, being the VIP between the Air Force and them, has seen them quite on a daily basis. So that was back in the late 1960s, though, he said. Look at this. Guys, have you ever seen anything like this? Now, I know there's a high probability that this is top secret U.S. Air Force technology. Maybe it's a spacecraft, and they're moving it very, very slowly so it won't get noticed early in the morning. Maybe they're just practicing. Maybe this is a tall white alien ship that we've never seen before. We have seen glowing objects back there in the old firing range, but we've never seen it in high detail like this. This is the first ever high detail. And it is right over that area, the old firing range of Nellis Air Force Base. Guys, are we looking at a tall white alien ship? Are we looking at an airplane moving very slowly? A UFO? A balloon? Are we looking at something that's U.S. military top secret? It is close to Los Alamos Labs, where they do a lot of secret things. What do you think? Tell me in the about description below the video. Thank you very much.